Hello, welcome to Math 182, Calculus 2. This is our second semester of Calculus. This is for sections 4001 and 4002, the online sections. Excuse me, my contact information is Jeff Downs. There's my email address. My college webpage, which isn't really updated too much. Canvas gets all my attention. My office is on the Carson campus in the Aspen building. Number 224 is the office number. My office phone number is 775-445-4400. I'll have office hours this semester. They're currently planned for Tuesday and Wednesday from 12:30 to 2:30 and Friday from 12 to 1, or by appointment. Prerequisites, Math 181 or equivalent, or the consent of the instructor. Course description offers fundamental concepts of analytic geometry and calculus, functions, graphs, limits, derivatives, and integrals. Course objectives. Upon completion of this course, successful students should be able to do the following: calculate the area of a region between two curves, find the volume using the disk and shell methods, determine arc length and surface area, calculate work, fluid force, and centers of mass, integrate using the following techniques: trigonometric substitution, partial fractions and tables, evaluate limits using L'Hopital's rule, evaluate improper integrals, find whether a series converges using the following tests: integral, p-series, comparison, alternating, and root, ratio root. Excuse me, ratio. I think it's ratio and root. Determine Taylor and Maclaurin series of a given function. Know the equations and properties of the ellipse, hyperbola, and parabola. You might remember those from pre-calculus days. Sketch curves in polar coordinates and find tangent lines, area, and arc length in polar coordinates. Work with parametric equations. Wow, I feel like I need a nap after reading all that already. That's quite a lot. This is a 4-credit class. Pretty involved class. Transferability within Nevada. This course is designed to apply toward a W&C degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed. It may transfer to colleges and universities outside Nevada. For information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. The linkage to college admission provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically, and apply computational skills. We're using Calculus 10th edition by Larson and Edwards. So you have some book options. If you're going to do the online homework or online tests, or both, you'll need access to WebAssign. So you'll need to buy that bundle. If you're just going to do things on paper, you can use just the book alone. The class key for WebAssign is WC 162540000. Supplies: you need a textbook, you need a calculator of some type. I like to use the TI graphing calculators. You don't have to, but I like to use them. I like the 89. Some instructors don't allow the 89 for calculus. I do. I think it's a good tool. Grading scale: A, B, C, D, F. A grade breakdown: we have a midterm 1 at 200 points. Discussions 10, postings at 10 points each. So you can do more than 10 postings, but you need at least 10. Homework 4 chapters at 50 points each. Quizzes 10 at 10 points each, and final exam 1 at 200 points. So exams will be a midterm exam and a final exam. You may do the exams in one or two formats, in paper or online, unless you're part of a fast track or jump start section and your high school requires proctored exams. The midterm is due March 14th, 2017. The final exam is due May 16th, 2017. The midterm covers chapters 7 and 8. The final exam covers chapters 9 and 10. Paper exams. Exams are posted in Canvas and will be downloaded and printed by the student. The exam must be received by me by the due date. I require the midterm and final be scanned in a single PDF file and uploaded in Canvas. If you're unable to upload the exams or homework in the assignment upload in Canvas, you may email them to me in Canvas. Online exams. Exams are completed in Enhanced WebAssign or Cengage. That's the program we use. The exams must be completed by the end of the availability. Paper exams will receive partial credit but can only be taken once. Online exams will receive no partial credit but may be retaken during the exam time to improve scores. If you try the online exam and do not like the format, you may switch to the paper exam. Quizzes. There are 11 quizzes. Quizzes will be over the sections covered that week. Quizzes are worth 10 points each. The top 10 quizzes will count for the grade. Quizzes must be completed by the due date, no exceptions. Quizzes are completed in Canvas unless you're part of a fast-track section that requires proctored quizzes. Discussions. You must provide at least 10 postings in the discussion board. The postings must be substantive and not simply say, I agree. You can either ask a question from our material or you can answer a question. Your first posting should be an introduction about yourself. Homework. You have two choices for homework in this class. You can either do the homework online in WebAssign or you can do the homework assigned with each lesson in class on paper. And so there's an assignment list there for that. Homework counts for a total of 200 points. If you try the WebAssign and would prefer to do the traditional homework, you may do so. Students choosing paper homework will scan and PDF format their homework and upload it in Canvas. Please send the work as a bundle of the entire chapter. If you don't have access to a scanner, you could use your phone. Again, use a tiny scanner or something like that on your phone, and it'll make you can make a bundle out of that in PDF format. Please contact me. We'll figure out another delivery system. I will not accept any late work. Attendance. Students are expected to participate and keep pace on a regular basis. Any departure from the attendance policy must be pre-approved by February 3rd, 2017. There will be no scores of W issued by me in this class. If you feel the need to drop the class, you may do so by March 31st, or you must do so by March 31st, 2017. I will not issue a W. Ethics statements. No cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Early alert, please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to Scott Morrison at, there's his email address. Disability statement. Western Nevada College is committed to providing reasonable accommodations for all persons with disabilities. This syllabus is available in alternate formats upon request. Any student with a documented disability needing academic adjustments is requested to speak with the Disability Support Services and the instructor as early in the semester as possible. All discussions will remain confidential. Please contact Disability Support Services, Carson Campus, Cedar 209, and their phone number is 775-445-4459. Or you can contact Susan Trist at that email address shown. Susan does travel to the Fallon campus monthly and to the Douglas campus upon request. Here are a list of important dates for the semester. If you think it's going to apply to you, you might double check those dates. Down here we have our tentative schedule for the semester. So this is a very intensive class. Calculus 2 is a very intensive class. I don't want anyone to leave because of that, but I just want you to be prepared. We start off with 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Those are heavy duty. There's no review. We're going at it. You're getting into some really good stuff. So be ready to get to work, and I'm looking forward to getting into the semester. Our midterm is chapters 7 and 8, and the final is chapters 9 and 10. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.